Welcome guys to another episode. Today we're going to see 13 acres close to Diriomo and not too far away. I want to say thank you, owner of the house. He's going to tell us and say, Carlos, come and see this place. Don't forget, subscribe, and let's continue looking around this new opportunity. There you go. Take a look, guys. Can you do your own chocolate in your farm? How hard that can be? Take a look to it. I just talking to the owner and said, Carlos, you have to come and see this. I'm making my own chocolate. Yes, he has cacao trees in this place. Amazingly, he understands how to do chocolate and it tastes great. Really great. I'm sorry, I cannot resist to try it. Imagine, mix it with milk. It's a little spicy on it. It's great. This is a walking farm with 8 manzanas, over 15 acres, with a lot of mango trees, avocado trees, and your own cacao. So let me tell you, what can you do with this beautiful farm that is only 25 minutes from Granada. Stay tuned, because if you're looking for a working farm to make money and live in it, this is your video. You know, I was reading the description of the owner and he told me, Carlos, we have 4 houses. Yes, 4 houses comes with this property. So that's gonna make this place even more convenient for you. If you have a big family and you have a project in the future to grow your own food and sell it to the local market, this is definitely an ideal deal for you. The property itself, over 8 manzanas. I'm gonna give you the description below what 8 manzanas really means in acres. You will understand why this is a really good deal for you. Houses ready to go, everything here, all the conveniences, only 50 minutes from Managua, which is also important, and probably 60 minutes from the airport. That makes this place ideal. If you've been searching in Central America, where can I buy a working farm that has everything that I need? Trees, fruit trees, good soil, water, energy, good roads. This is definitely one of those options. Here, you can actually grow everything you need. The volcanic soil makes this place treasure. The water is a big deal. And also another thing I have to remark, the owner of this farm has been working very hard to keep it organic. Yes, organic is a big deal today because you want to have a healthy food for your business, for your family, and for the deal that you're going to get in the future. If you are in the restaurant industry and you want to have your own farm to grow your own stuff, this is it. Take a look to this guy. A beautiful home surrounded by your own avocado field. Yes, and also plantain next door. This is one of the houses that it comes with this working farm that is so close to Diriomo and Granada. And look at that, what are they doing here? They have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, dining and living room and kitchen. But one of the most amazing things is when you open the window, you can actually grab the avocado. That's unbelievable. I was looking at the list of all the trees and fruit trees you have in this amazing property. And actually, the owner said, Carlos, you have to see this. We have 4 casitas or 4 homes. Everything here is organic. So actually, they have 450 avocado trees with 10 different variations. That's amazing. They probably produce per tree 350 or 400 avocado. That's a lot of money. They have grapefruits, mandarinas, hundreds of plantains, lemons, sour orange, grapefruit. Also, they have different kind of plantain, which is Hawaiiano, Filipino. You know, mangoes, different kind of mangoes, mango mechudo, mango rosa, mango papaya, Jesus, I never know we have so many names and so many types. And also they have 50 papaya plants, 50 cacao trees. That's right, that tasty chocolate, because you can produce your own chocolate here. And also they have 40 coconut trees. And all these trees are ready to produce and be harvested with thousands of avocado. So that is a money maker, especially today markets. Avocado is very treasured, it's very special. That's the area of the lemon trees.
Those are lemon trees.
Those are lemon trees.
These are Hawaiian plátanos.
Hawaiian plátanos. Be careful, Medu, with this. They put in water lines here. Oh, that's the other casita we have here. That's the casita. That's a place with 2 bedrooms and a bathrooms and everything.
Yes.
So that's great. So basically, you have the condition of this place ready to go. So if somebody buy the farm and they want to have a staff to looking after the property, they already have the right facilities to stay here longer time.
Correct.
The main house, also you have, I was walking the main house the other day, and I noticed that you create something definitely unique for yourself.
Yes.
I mean, 2 bedrooms and a garage underneath.
And 2.5 baths.
2.5 bathroom, high ceiling, very country, but kind of modern.
I designed it to try to bring nature inside.
Inside, outside, inside.
Because it's such a beautiful place.
Such a beautiful place. Also, he has another section of the farm where he designed something different. He has water tank and a tower, water lines around it, so you can produce more stuff in it, which is another few acres over there that you have plantain.
There's about 250 avocado trees.
More.
Yes.
More.
And about 200 citrus trees.
Citrus trees.
Yes.
Wow. Lemon and avocado is the main core of this working farm.
Correct. One of the things that does really good on cacao trees are vanilla orchids.
So the vanilla orchids around the tree helps to make a better.
They grow up the tree.
Yeah.
So virtually, not all, there's a couple I haven't gotten to, but virtually all of these cacao trees have vanilla orchids growing up them.
Wow.
And there's something about a tree that produces chocolate having vanilla orchids. Because that's where vanilla comes from.
That's how vanilla comes from. Okay, so let me show the cacao tree
And
right now.
Give me one more second.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh wow. When they get to this point, then when they get yellow, that's when it's ready to go. Jello.
Yes.
Or red.
Yellow or red.
Red, yellow.
There actually are both. I have both kinds.
Oh, okay. So.
And in fact, just over here are red ones.
Red ones.
But these are big, and I mean, you can
look at that one.
They've got a while to go yet.
Right now, the owner is showing me the cacao trees field, and he's telling me the different colors of the cacao means also different kind of type, which is yellow and red. When it's yellow, it's ready to go, and you can open it. Look at this. That's amazing. So how many trees do we have here?
Here are 20 cacao trees.
20 cacao trees here, and this is how he produces his own chocolate, which is, I'm telling you, I've been testing all the video, and it's amazing.
There's about 85 of them total.
85 cacao trees, guys. And look at that, how they grow and big. Obviously, for those people that have more knowledge about the cacao production, you can find out why it's so important and why it's so special this soil is to grow these kind of trees. They are not easy to take care of because you have to have some temperature and some kind of quality in the soil. And because we're close to the volcano, you can tell this is a really rich soil. Oh wow, I mean, look at that guy. That's another type of cacao tree. It's a little bit more reddish, And look at the fields, huge fields. They're not that tall, but you know what? You can harvest a lot of cacao beans from here. Actually, the owner of this farm showed me that you can definitely have your own brand and your own coffee brand as well. How many coffee trees do we have here?
About 250.
250 coffee trees we have in this working farm. So I'm telling you, if you've been searching hardly to get the perfect farm with a good size, like no more than 15 acres, this is not it's a no-brainer, definitely. If you're really interested to know more about this place, here you are, my telephone and my email, and I'm gonna be happy to talk to you about it. How can you buy it? And definitely the owner of this place put a lot of love into it. Water, conditions, logistic, everything is already set up here for you guys. It's amazing. Nicaragua is well known because the coffee. And sometimes you have to go to Matagalpa, 1,500 meters high, 3,200 feet elevated to find coffee beans. But here we are probably 300 meters above the ocean level, where you can still cultivate your own coffee beans. This is amazing. One of the reasons why it grows well here is because of the temperature and the soil. Do you notice these white flowers? These white flowers are the preview. They start growing the beans. So this is a real coffee tree, guys. If you never saw a coffee tree and how they come out, that is the way it is. A white flower, probably for those expertise on the coffee, they can tell us better. But that's what I've been told from the owner. The flowers first, and then the beans, and they continue growing. After that, they're harvested, they wash it, they dry it, and they roast it. So look at this. How many beautiful baby trees of coffee. We are going at the very back of the farm right now, where he has another field with water irrigation system and water tank to continue growing more avocado and plantains. So water here is not an issue. That's a big plus. Let's go. Thank you for watching this episode today, guys. This episode was dedicated for those investors that are looking a working farm like this. If you're thinking something in between 10 to 15 acres, this is an ideal property for you. Close to cities, everything here, all the services, all the conveniences, definitely something you can start making money right away. Or houses, that's amazing. Great price. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and give me those likes. And very soon, you're gonna see this property in all my social media. Thank you for watching.